Welcome to Sunday. It's around 2:30, 3 o'clock. I'm here in Bajada on JP L'Oreal. I opened up a Rosie's 24 hours bakery with a coffee shop about 2 weeks ago. The place has been crazy, absolutely manic. I've just turned around, ordered 3 torta and a cinnamon bun. Look at that. And a latte. 40 minutes queuing. The girls on the till are just absolutely overwhelmed. They need more training. They need more help. They're trying to do the pastries and the bagging up and the plating up and the clearing down. And there are 2 ladies doing the cooking, and they are about 20 minutes behind on their production. But the cakes are nice, the time is nice, and it's a calm Sunday afternoon. Annie's at home. She did some teaching last night. She informs me today that she taught 11 people yesterday. It was planned that she would do 5 between 6 and 9, but I think she was working between 5:30 and midnight, which is good. That means she's doing her online, and that keeps her out of mischief, shall we say. So, and you can see traffic is not moving anywhere. People are trying to get across the road and park in here. It's only got a parking bay for 3. You can see Scooty parked here on the right hand side. But it's very, very nice. Yeah. So I had somebody ask me the other day about health. Well, I'm a diabetic, and I have to watch my health, and I have to watch what I eat to make sure that I don't fall foul of high sugar, high cholesterol and high body mass, which is the fat content of my body. So when I moved here about 2 years ago to Davao, I noticed that whenever I went on holiday to warm climates, my sugar level and my cholesterol level and my weight declined, and it shrunk, which was good. So when I moved here to Davao, my body weight was about 138 kilos. After 2 years, I am now sitting at 89 to 91 kilos, which is excellent for me. That means my body weight is coming down. My blood sugar level was hovering around 12 to 19 when I was back in the UK. Now it fluctuates between 8 and 11. Not ideal, you would say, with some diabetics. Look at these 2 drivers trying to get out, trying to get in, and blocking all of the traffic. Absolutely bizarre, some of the drivers in this country. They don't have any consideration. The rudest people when they get behind a steering wheel, but the politest people when you don't have a steering wheel. Anyway, so my body weight came down, my cholesterol came down, my blood pressure came down, and I watch what I eat. I eat virtually anything, but I don't eat it in the volume I did in the UK. When I was eating in the UK, it was to turn around and generate heat in my body so that I could actually keep going and protect the cold. That's one function my body here doesn't need to actually worry about. Because it's warm all the time, I don't have to consume high carbohydrate foods to generate warmth in my body. I can sit here and have cold. whole food, and rice, salads, fresh fruit. It's very good. So the other thing that I was on medication back in the UK, but one of those medications that they kept prescribing was caused some issues with my father, and that was a drug called metformin. And I don't take metformin because of the damage it does to the kidneys and the liver in your body. As proven by various studies in America and Europe. I did want to turn around and use Diamicron, but it's too expensive in the Philippines to turn around and prescribe. So I watch my diet, I get my body weight down, I keep my sugar level down. I do have some vices, ice cream being one of them, and I give myself some luxuries once a week or once a month. Yeah, life is good. Life is excellent for me, and I'm enjoying life in Davao. So, like, share, and subscribe, please. I hope you enjoy Sunday afternoon at Rosie's Bakery on Bajada. I haven't eaten all the cakes, I've only eaten one, and I'm going to have my coffee. Then I'm going to go for a little ride along JP L'Oreal or along towards Panakan. Anyway, love you all. Take care. It's a nice restaurant, but last orders are 2:30. How much is it, Korea? It is very good. Thank you very much. So the burger was very good, as you saw in the picture. But they served it at 2:30. Last orders at 2:30. And our restaurant closes at 3, so you get half an hour to eat. I think I will come back here. I just want to check out what else is going on. But yeah, very different. It's down the yellow tuna and the Go Hotel in Langan. I've been here now for nearly 2 years. It's the first time I've come here. But have a nice stock of food, nice wines, nice wine list, and it's not overpricey. So I had a freshly made Angus beef burger, very nice. Wholemeal bun, cheese, onion, small little salad. They call these chips or French fries. I think they're a little bit small. What do you think, guys? But yeah, I think it will get busy in the evening. I think they need to clean their chandeliers. Very, very dusty. But it's quiet and it's nice. So I'm just going to go downtown now because I'm going to get ready for doing some travelling. I've left Annie at home. She feels a little bit better today, but God is she grumpy. Oh, so that's why I'm out eating alone. Anyway guys, take care. Well, it's Thursday, it's 2 o'clock, or it's 2:30, because I've just been told his last orders here at the Olive Cafe. It seems to be quite nice. Food looks very nice. San Miguel is nice and cold, so I'm going to have my olive burger. Join me. Take care.